Hello everyone, myself Pooja Gupta and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. It's a huge welcome to you all. It's day 6 in our consistency with the DSA questions. So let's continue with the question. Today I took a LeetCode question. The question number is 961 and title is N repeated elements in size 2 an array. So first of all we have to understand what the title implies us. So n repeated elements in the size 2n. So the size of the element is a twice the number of element is repeated. It means it's like considered if there is a 2 which is repeating 2 times. So what will be the size of array will be? The size of array will be 4. Okay. So if the size of array is 6, so how many times a particular element is repeated? It is 3. Why? Because twice of repeated element will be the size of array. Got it? Now, is an easy level of question. Continue the description. You are given an integer array nums with the following properties. Nums.length is equal to 2 into n. Yeah, of course. If n is the number of repeated element at twice, then its twice will be the length. Yeah, it is a normal thing. Contains n plus 1 unique elements. For this, let's consider an array which is 1, 2, 2 and 3. Okay. So what the question? Contain n plus 1 unique element. So for this array, what will be the n? N will be the twice the half of length of array. What is the length of array? It is a 4. So what will be the n? N will be small n will be 2. Okay. So contain n plus 1 unique element. If n equals to 2, then n plus 1 unique element. It means 2 plus 1. What will be? It will be 3. It means the array contains n plus 1. It means 3 unique elements. Yes, it is because 1 is the unique element, 2 is another one unique element, and 3 is the last unique element. So total 3 elements are here. So particular this line implies all this. Okay. Exactly one element of num is repeated n times. Exactly one element. It means the one element will be repeated n times. Got it? Now continue with the examples. Here, what will be the n for this array? N will be 2. Size will be, its size is 4. Okay. Now, what will be output? So if n equals to 2, the number which is repeating 2 times will be n. So the element repeating 2 times is 3. Similarly for this array, what will be the small n will be for this? First of all, the size is 6. Then what is the half of 6? It is a 3. Then what will be 3? What will be n? N will be 3. The number which is repeating 3 times will be the output. So 1, 2 and 3. The 3 will be out, 2 will be output. Now, for this, what will be the size of array? 3, 2, 6, 7, 8. 8. So what will be small n? It will be 4. Got it? Now, it will be 4. The number which is repeated 4 times will be output. So 5 is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 will be output. Got it? Now, again continue with the constants. So continue with the constants. The n will be, the n, it means the number which is repeated will be between 2 to 5,000. Okay. The length of array will be twice the total numbers repeating. That is as usual. It is simple. Okay. And nums I, the element present in the nums array will be between 0 to 10 to the power 4, it means 10,000. So any number between 0 to 10,000 will be the element of the num. Okay. Nums contain n plus 1 unique elements and one of them is repeated exactly n times. So n plus 1 elements, I clear very simplified method that how the array has n plus 1 element, unique elements. And one of them is repeatedly exactly n times. So an element which is n plus 1 is repeating exactly n times. It means from the whole numbers from the num, unique numbers from the num, a particular number from the num array will be repeated n times, which make the array twice. Okay. Now continue with the boilerplate code that what we have to code here. Okay. So first of all, what we need to find and identify the total number those are repeated. First of all, we have to find the n, capital N. What will be the total number of repetition? Okay. So for that, n capital N will be, what will be? It will be nums dot length half minus 1's half. Okay. It was the total number and element will repeat. Got it? Now, using a for loop to iterate through nums. So, first of all, I have in this question, first of all, I have to need to code for a particular thing. Then I will explain you what part of the code doing what thing. Okay. So just follow my things and you will get my point that why I'm writing these things and why I write these things. Okay. Stop. Trust the process, it will make you success. Means means J, and what you have to do, you have to just put, okay, we need a count variable 2. I will just J use to count number of arrays. Okay, the number repeat. Then also I have to put minus 2 plus 2 minus 1. If the power is here, I have to also put here put nums and plus minus 1. So let's continue here. Count equals to n minus 1. I'll repeat for it. So now it's time to explain the code. Okay. So first of all, I have to take a one array. I am just taking this array. So neat and tidy. 1, 2, 2, and 3. First, I have to explain why I am taking two loops. So I'm taking two loops, so it implies that I want two pointers, 1 and 2. So I have to count if these elements are equal. Yeah, it is equal. Are these elements are equal? Are they equal? If these elements are equal. So to point equity or to compare the equation, I need two things. So that's why I am using the two loops to point the two numbers at the one time. Okay. Now and the second thing, why I am using nums I equals I range, that I have to iterate I from I equals to 0 to nums dot length minus 2. Okay, the reason is behind, and also that why I'm using I'm initializing j with I plus 1. Okay, so first of all I'm using 1. So if 1 I'm using I, so first of all I'm using I equals to minus 2. It means I have to iterate I from I to here. If 1 is equals to 1, yes, I know 1 equals to 1. Then why I have to do it every time? That when I am using I equals to 1, so j will be 1, j equals to I equals to 0, j equals to 0, what will happen? So it will equal 1 equals to 1, so it will count 1. So it will be another thing that I don't want. Why I am iterating my loop once, which is which is totally useless, because comparing with the element, same element will be useless. That's why I am just doing j equals to plus 1. Okay, and nums equals to minus 2 is because I am equal to j plus 1. It means the I will be here and j will be here. If I will iterate I to length minus 1, it will total length. What is I total length? It will be 4. Indexing will be 3. So if I equals to 3, what will be 4? J will be 4. So if J will be 4, then it will give me out of bound and out of bound exception. Got it? Now again I have to do a thing. Again 1, 2, 2 and 3. So I explain you this for loop and this for loop. Now I have to explain this thing. Got it? So nums I here, this one. Is nums I equal to j? No. Is nums I equals to j? No. Is nums I equals to nums j? No. So for this thing, nums I will not working. So it will not. Now here is, now I will be 2 and j will be this. Okay. So I, for this I, is I equals to it? Is I is equals to j? Yes. Is it? So and again I have to just forgot the thing that why I'm using this and this. I did it. This thing. Okay. Is it I is equal to nums equals nums j? Yes, it is. So I have to just put count plus plus and I have to put nums j equals to minus 1. So at that time I just put this 2 as minus 1. I have to change pen. Then we have to change pen. So I'll just put it minus 1. Okay. So I put it minus 1. Now 2 is equals to 3? No. So it will drop out. Okay. So it is drop out. Now now you are asking me why I put minus 1. So let's consider that this is it's a very short array. Okay. If the array having 10 numbers, so what is a particular repeating element? It will be a 5. Okay. So if the element will be repeat 5 times, maybe let's suppose that if an element which is repeating 5 times, maybe here a particular element like 2 will repeating 3 times and 5 will repeating 5 times. So 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 and 9, 10. 2 is another element. So at that time, I have to compare the particular 5 in such a way that comparing 3 again. So again, I think I are clear with the -1 integration, why I am using -1. I'm also clear with this thing also. And also, if I am not using -1 here, I think the code will run, but it will after this, for if I am not continuing here with the -1, the code will run this code again and again. It will give us time more to optimize code. That's why I'm doing it. Now I have to run the code. Okay, can you find a symbol count in small? Yeah, it's not finding small one just because it is giving me error because I am using here n equals to n is n-1. It is I am just forgot that we have to run n repeated elements and I am just using that n-1. This is n elements are here, so I have to compare it to n repeat count. So just run the code and it is accepting all the 3 cases. Now we have to submit the code and see what is going on, what will happen. Yeah, our code is accepting and the runtime complexity and the runtime required for the code is 2 milliseconds. It is optimized code and the memory required for the code is 45 MB and we are here waiting for the memory 62.98%, it's almost 63%, and the person for a runtime is 55%, almost 0.01% we are lagging. Okay, so guys, that's it with the question and repeated elements in the size of 2 an array. If you have anything to ask me related to this question, please comment down. I will let you know what I can do. And if you want to any topic or any question, let me solve. So please comment down and bye bye. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.